Chris here with High Seas Cruising, coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas. And today I want to talk a little bit about bad cruising behavior, particularly bad behavior in the main theater. So I went to the main theater show last night. It happened to be a comedian. And I saw a couple things last night that I think people need to be aware of. They need to understand that there are some behaviors that you really just don't want to do on cruise ships because, it's just rude. All right. First is coming to the show late. That's not the time when you want to come in, walk all the way to the front, and try to find yourself a front row seat. Especially the house lights are down. An example, last night the cruise director was already up there. He was talking, and here comes this group of like 4 or 5 people all the way down to the front trying to get a seat. And even the cruise director points out and says, "Hey, come on in. Yeah, sure. Come on down front. I'm sure nobody will notice that you're late." That's kind of a hint to let you know that maybe that's not something you should be doing. And number 2 is screaming, yelling so loudly that it actually is disturbing those people around you. I understand comedians are funny, but I had this lady sitting behind me and she screeched and screamed so loud that it was actually hurting my ears. The only way I can even describe this sound to kind of give you guys a visual of what it felt like is picture a hyena getting a colonoscopy from a cactus. It was bad. It was really bad. So just a little cruise tip, especially if you're a new cruiser, you're going into the main theater, don't try to go down up front if you're late. If you want a front row seat, you want to get as close as possible, you get there early. Get the seat of your choice. That way you're not disturbing anyone else. And there's just no need to yell and scream so loud that people on the other side of the theater are looking over to see what all the racket is about. Just some quick little cruise tips that, fresh in my mind because this is something that just happened to me last night. Now, other than that, so far the cruise is going pretty well. The weather is still a little bit chilly out there, and the seas are very, very rough today. They've got the seasickness bags out at the stairwells. You see lots of people with the seasickness patches on because the ship is moving. It is rocking. The captain said that hopefully it should be clearing up by tomorrow when we pull into Key West, Florida. It should be a warm and sunny day. So really looking forward to that. And I'll have lots and lots of video to show you guys once I get back. All right. I hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, I will see you out on the high seas.